Hello students, this is Ashish Ojha and welcome back to Excellence Home Tutorial. I hope you will be fine by following COVID-19 protocol, and this is the MCQ questions based on your UT test, UT first test. So let's start question number first. Question number first is integers contains. In this you have to remember the definitions of integers which contain positive number, negative number and 0. So option A is positive number, option B negative number, C is 0. So A, B, C contains integer, that means option D is correct, that is A, B, C. Question second is successor of minus 11. Okay, to find out the successor of minus 11 we have to add plus 1 in this question, in this number, that means in this minus 11 plus 1 gives minus 10. Here both sign are different, so in this we have to apply subtraction sign and we have to subtract smaller number from greater number and we have to apply sign minus, and minus 10 is correct, so section A is correct. Question number 3 is predecessor of minus 200. In this we have to find out predecessor, so we have to subtract 1 from minus 200 and it gives minus 201. So answer is B. Moving on, question number 4. 0 is positive number, negative number, neither positive nor negative, none of these. So 0 has neither positive or negative numbers. Okay. So moving on, question number 5. The largest number in minus 1008, minus 8001, minus 506, minus 605. In this question, here all numbers are in negative numbers. Okay, so in negative numbers the smaller number in by numeral is largest number. So first of all you have to find out numeral which is smallest, that means this is 1008, 8001, 506 and so this is largest number because numeral is very small. So here is section C. In generally in negative numbers the largest number is smallest number. Okay, so that means नेगेटिव नंबर्स में जो नंबर सबसे बड़ी होती है वो सबसे छोटी होती है, दैट मीन्स स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर, और जो छोटी होती है जिनकी वैल्यू कम होती है वो लार्जेस्ट नंबर होती है. लेट्स मूव ऑन. क्वेश्चन नंबर 6. एब्सोल्यूट वैल्यू ऑफ 15 इज, सो एब्सोल्यूट वैल्यू ऑफ 15 इज 15. दैट मीन्स absolute value of any number is equal to non negative number, that means mod of 15 equal to 15. If there will be negative number then it will change into positive number. Absolute value minus 308 is, here minus sign is removed by the mod sign. Okay, that means mod minus 308 equal to 308. So moving on, question number 8. Opposite of profit of 500. इस क्वेश्चन में हमें 500 प्रॉफिट का हमें अपोजिट करना है, तो यहाँ पे लॉस ऑफ 500 ये हमारा अपोजिट हो जाएगा. लेट्स मूव ऑन. क्वेश्चन नंबर 9. ये सब आप minus 15 and minus 27. First of all we have to write minus 15 plus minus into change into minus sign and 27. Here both sign are negative. So here we have to add both numbers, that means 7 plus 2 7 plus 5, that means 12, and 3 1 4, that means 42, and the same sign is used, minus sign. So section A is correct. Okay, let's move on. Question number 10. Question number 10 contains a submarine is positioned 1300 below the sea level. Let's mark sea level. This is sea level, and submarine positioned 1300 meter below the sea level, that means in this place, and if it ascends 450 meter, that means it goes from bottom to top side 450 meter. That means this is below the sea level, so it is represented as minus sign, and it goes from bottom to top, so it increases, so it represents plus sign. And if we add both numbers, so we get minus 850 meter. Minus shows the position of submarine is below the sea level and 850 meter. So option C is correct. Moving on, question number 11. Ascending order of minus 105, 73, minus 50, minus 67, 45 is. Here we have to observe that in ascending orders we have to write smallest number, after that smaller number, after that, and so on. So here smallest number is minus 105, after that minus 67, after that minus 50. So option D is correct. सो इस क्वेश्चन में हम सबसे पहले देखेंगे सबसे छोटी नंबर कौन सी है, और जानते हैं नेगेटिव नंबर्स में जो सबसे बड़ी नंबर होती है वो सबसे छोटी होती है. दैट मीन 1 माइनस 105 सबसे छोटी नंबर है. उसके बाद ये नंबर आती है, मतलब ये 67 माइनस 67 105 से थोड़ा ग्रेटर नंबर है. उसके बाद ये, उसके बाद पॉजिटिव नंबर्स में जैसे जैसे इंक्रीज करते हैं वैसे वैसे उसकी वैल्यू इंक्रीज करती है, लेकिन नेगेटिव नंबर्स में ऐसा नहीं होता है. ठीक है ना. So D is correct. Descending order of minus 1008, minus 8001, minus 506, minus 6. In this we have to write in descending order. So first of all you have to decide the greatest number. That means greatest number is this, because in negative numbers a number which is smallest in by numeral is greatest number, that is minus 506. And this is your answer, that is section A. And question number 13 is opposite of minus 87. Opposite of minus 87 is 87. That means here negative sign opposite number is positive sign, so 87 is your answer. Sign for the increase in temperature is. In this we have to use sign for increase. We use sign for increase, positive sign. Okay. So moving on, question number 15. Here a well has 15 steps. Question number 15 is very important question. Here 15 steps inside it, a well. That means this type of well is constructed. In this 15 steps are given. The water level is at ninth step. Water level 9th step पे है. That means अगर हम यहाँ पे मान लें 9th step ये है. Okay, a frog is sitting on the topmost of the each. यहाँ पे ये topmost इस पे स्टेप पे ये सिट कर रहा है. The frog jumps 3 steps down, और ये 3 steps down करता है, यानी 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. So here this is 9th step. Okay, you should remember this is 9th step, and frog is going from top to 1 2 3 step and back, jumps back 2 step. That means 1 2. So in the first step is here. After that 1 2 3 and back 1 2. That means second step. And after that, in this step it goes from second, third, and this step. And after in back step, this is in third step. And after that third से यहाँ पे 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So in this is in third step. So third, fourth, fifth, here 6, and moving back 1 2. That means fourth step. And after that this moves from 4 5 6 and 7 and moves back to 1 2 steps. That means fifth step. After that 8 moves 5 to 6, 6 to 7, 7 to 8. Okay, moving back 1, 2. That means 6 step. After that 1, 2, 3. Okay. So here we have to count the steps. That means 2 to 4 to 6 to 8, 8 to 10 and 11. So here 11 is your answer. Okay. Question number 16, property used in a plus b, sorry, a plus 0 equal to 0 plus a. Here both numbers, that means a and 0, are added in LHS and RHS, their position are interchanged. So here commutative property is used. Additive identity, that means 0. Additive identity is a number which is in when added any number, their value does not change. So 0 is additive identity. Additive inverse of minus 37. Additive inverse, we have to change the sign. That means minus 37 is plus 37, it's additive inverse. Moving on, question number 19. That means a pair of integer whose sum is minus 9. So at this, from this option, at this minus 4 minus 5, this sum is minus 9. So answer is correct. And you should add both B, C and D. Here minus 1 is answer, here minus 2 is answer, here minus 8 is answer. So section A is your answer. A pair of whose difference is minus 16. Here you have to take difference minus 8 minus 8, that means 0. Here minus 16 minus 8 and minus 16 plus 8, that means minus 8. No answer. Here minus 8 equal to 16. So section C is correct. Question number 21. The sum of two integers is minus 156, and if one of the integer is minus 283, sum of two integers, that means here one integer is written, here second integer, and addition is minus 56, and one integer, that means minus 283 is given, and another integer we have to find out, it is x. After that you should transpose this minus 156 plus 283. Here we have to subtract 283 minus, and we have to use plus sign. So section D is correct. यानी यहाँ पे दो इंटीजर्स का सम हमें दिया हुआ है, जिसमें एक इंटीजर माइनस 283 है और x दूसरा इंटीजर हमें फाइंड करना है, और हमने वहाँ पे x कंसीडर कर लिया है. इसके बाद इसको हमने ट्रांसपोज कर दिया, यहाँ पे माइनस साइन था तो ये प्लस साइन हो गया. अब यहाँ से हमें ये ग्रेटर नंबर यानी पॉजिटिव नंबर से हमें नेगेटिव नंबर को सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है और पॉजिटिव नंबर साइन लगाना है. मतलब ये हुआ 13 माइनस 6 इज 7, एंड यहाँ पे देखेंगे 7 माइनस 2 एंड देयर इज 127. ओके, इतना समझ में आया? ओके, इस तरह से वीडियो को लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब करिए चैनल को. और बहुत सारे लोग वीडियो देख करके उसके बाद लाइक भी नहीं करते, इस वजह से पहले लाइक कर दीजिए सब लोग फटाफट. Let's move on. Question number 22. Value of minus 14 to 0. If any number is multiplied by 0, it gives 0 as a result. And move on. Question number 23. Value of minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1. Here minus 1 into minus 1 gives plus sign, and plus into minus gives minus sign. 1 into 1 is 1 and 1 into 1 is 1. So A is your answer. Value of minus 1 whole to the power odd number. Okay, this is the basic rule that if any base contains a power odd numbers, then their sign will be in negative sign. Okay, so answer is negative sign, and 1 to the power any number gives 1. And question number 25. Value of minus 1 even number. Any number contain even power, any negative number contains even power, that value change into positive sign. So here plus 1 is your answer. Multiplicative identity. A multiplicative identity is a number which when multiplied by any number gives same result. That means a number 1 is only a number which when multiplied any number gives same results. So section C is correct. Question number 27, A and B are commutative under under this mathematical operation. A, B are integer. Here we have to find out the mathematical operation in which commutative property is used, A plus B or A into B or so on. So here we have to find out A plus B equal to B plus A. Here commutative property follows. We can use another examples. We have to take, and A into B equal to B into A. Both mathematical operation, that means addition and multiplication follows commutative properties, but A minus B equal not B minus A divided by B equal not B divided by A. मतलब ये हुआ कि यहाँ पे सब्ट्रैक्शन और डिवीजन कम्यूटेटिव प्रॉपर्टी को फॉलो नहीं करता और एडिशन और मल्टीप्लिकेशन इसको फॉलो करता है. मूविंग ऑन क्वेश्चन नंबर 28, प्रॉपर्टी यूज्ड इन A into B plus C equal to A into B plus A into C. In this we have to remember the properties. The property such as associative property and distributive properties are very similar. In this, three numbers are given. Okay, in associative property only one sign is used, but in this multiplication addition sign is used, two signs used. So here distributive property, if only one sign is used, then it may be associative property. Okay, so section A is correct. Moving on, question number 29, property used in this. Here only one sign and three numbers are given, so associative property is used. The property used in simplification of minus 8 into 64 into minus 125. Here we have to multiply minus 8 into minus 125. After that we have to multiply 64 for the solution. Okay, so in this when we multiply 8 5 is 40 and 4 8 2 is 16, 4 20, 8 this is 1000. This is the easy method to solve this type of question by using properties. So here associative property is used. Okay, in this first of all two numbers are multiplied, after that third number. So associative property is used in this question. Here simplification minus 72 and upon minus 4. Here minus minus cancel out and 4 1 4, 4 1 4 and 3 8 ja. Okay, so 18 is your answer. Product of minus 12 into minus 9 minus 1 in 0. Any number multiplied by 0 gives 0 as a result. Question number 13. Here A, B, C, D and X, Y, Z stand for distinct numbers value X minus A, X minus B, X minus C, X minus Y, X minus Z. Here we have to observe that A, B, C, D contains a distinct number and we have to subtract X minus A, X minus B and so on into, and one term may be X minus X, X minus Y and X minus Z. Here X minus 1 gives 0, so when multiplied by 0 to another numbers, so result is 0. So moving on, question number 34. Smallest integer n, so that 5 into 12 into n is the product of the three consecutive integers. Here we have to find out the value of n in such a way that both numbers, that means the number may be consecutive, that means 5 into 12 into n. Here 5 is written as 5 and 3 4, 12 is written into 3 into 4 and n, and here we have here 3 4 and 5 are three consecutive numbers. So for this value we have to put n equal to 1 for the condition of three consecutive numbers. So n equal to 1. यहाँ पे 5 into 12 into n दिया हुआ है. यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन कह रहा है कि n की वैल्यू ऐसी बताओ जो कि रखने पर थ्री कॉन्सिक्यूटिव नंबर्स के प्रोडक्ट के रूप में हो जाए. सबसे पहले इसमें जो 5 लिखा हुआ है, 5 ये प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन के फॉर्म में लिखा हुआ है. 12 को हम करेंगे तो हो जाएगा 2 इंटू 2 इंटू 3, तो यहाँ पे देखेंगे 2 और 3 और 5 आ रहा है, लेकिन 2 डबल हो जा रहा है, तो इसको हम मल्टीप्लाई कर लेंगे तो यहाँ पे आएगा 3 इंटू 4 इंटू 5। यहाँ पे 3, 4 और 5 तीनों कॉन्सिक्यूटिव नंबर्स हैं। सो n की ऐसी वैल्यू रखना है यहाँ पे जिससे इनकी वैल्यू चेंज ना हो। इस कंडीशन में सिर्फ 1 ही नंबर ऐसी है जिसको मल्टीप्लाई करने पे किसी भी नंबर पे कोई इफेक्ट नहीं होता, यानी उसकी वैल्यू चेंज नहीं होती, इसलिए उसको मल्टीप्लिकेटिव आइडेंटिटी भी कहा जाता है 1 को। सो यहाँ पे n इक्वल टू 1 होगा। ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 35, सिंप्लीफिकेशन ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन। This is also based on distributive property. That means in this question we have to subtract 1673 from this, so 99, and here minus 1 and plus 1, and here 167300, and here is your answer. Okay, in this type of question in which only one number is common in the given question, so their distributive property is used. It should be remember. So section A is correct. Moving on 36 question. If we divide my house number, that means let us consider house number is x divided by 2 and then add 6 equal to 24. So we have to transpose 24 minus 6, and after that x equal to this is 18, and here 2 is transposed, and here 2, and answer is 72. That means 36, not 70. This is your answer, 36. Solution of minus 1331 upon minus 11. Here minus minus is cancelled out, 11 1 11, and here is 121 is your answer. Okay. Question number 38, solution of 0 and this. Any 0 is divided by any number, it gives 0 as a result. It's very simple question. Okay, let's move on 39 question. Fraction having combination of a whole number and a proper fraction, that means 2 whole 1 by 2. This type of number in which a whole number and a proper fraction contains, this is mixed fraction. This is mixed fraction basically. So C is correct. A fraction in which numerator is less than the denominator. Numerator, that means less than denominator. So this is proper fraction. This is proper fraction. So section A is correct. 41 question, fraction in which denominator greater, that means greater than numerator. Fraction in which denominator is greater than numerator. Okay. Here numerator is less than, and here denominator is greater than, and these both type of questions are in similar way. Okay, so in these question, so 1 by 2, in this denominator is greater than numerator, so here proper fraction is correct. Okay, B is not correct. Here question may be that numerator is greater than denominator. Their question may be in this form, fraction in which numerator is greater than the denominator. So in that case improper fraction may be. Okay, but in 41 question, when denominator is greater than numerator, or in other forms numerator is less than denominator, so in both cases proper fraction is given. Okay, so 42 question, like fractions are those fractions having same denominators. That means here section A contains same denominator, so these are like fraction. So 43 question is equivalent type question, that means 5 by 11. We have to check the equivalent of 5 by 11. So this is 5 by 44, which is not equivalent because here denominator is multiplied by 4 but numerator is not multiplied. B is this is multiplied by 3, numerator and denominator both, so B is your answer. Okay, C is not correct, D is also not correct. Moving on, question number 44, fraction added to 8 whole 1 by 7 to get, that means which fraction is added to 1 whole 1 by 7 plus x equal to 14. Here 8 7 ja 56 and 57 by 7 plus x equal to 14 by 1, here x equal to 14 by 1 minus 57 by 7, here 98 minus 57 upon 7, here 41/7 and 41 is 7 5 ja 35 and 6/7 5 whole 6/7 is your आंसर. ओके, इस क्वेश्चन में क्वेश्चन ये कह रहा है कौन सी फ्रैक्शन को 8 होल 1/7 में ऐड कर दिया जाए कि 14 हमारा आंसर आ जाए. तो हमने मान लिया कि यहाँ पे x रिक्वायर्ड फ्रैक्शन जो है x है, इसको हमने ऐड किया तो 14 है, इक्वल हो जाए. उसके बाद हमने इसको इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन में चेंज किया, उसके बाद ट्रांसपोज किया, ट्रांसपोज करने के बाद एलसीएम लेके इसको सॉल्व किया और इसको मिक्स फ्रैक्शन में चेंज करके हमने आंसर कर दिया. In the similar way, question number 45, equivalent fraction of 9/17. Here we have to find out the equivalent fraction of 9/17. So first of all, you have to remember the equivalent fraction. Equivalent fraction is a fraction which is obtained by multiplying or dividing by same number to numerator and denominator. Okay, so let us check 18/17 here. Numerator is multiplied by 2 but denominator is not multiplied, so this is not correct. And here this is multiplied by 2 and this is also, so B is your correct answer. And here denominator is multiplied by 2 but numerator is not multiplied, so this is not correct. Question number 46, a picture frame is in the shape of square of side 17 whole 2/9. Here a square is given in this. The side is 17 whole 2/9 and in this we have to find out perimeter. So perimeter of square is, use formula 4 into side, so 4 into 17 whole 2/9. This type of question may be solved in another methods, but you have to solve by your method. And here we have to change in another form. You can solve by your method. Okay, so don't worry about it. I will change by another method. So 17 4 just 68 and plus 4 2 8 and this is my answer. You can solve by changing it into improper fraction. Okay, you are free from this. So question number 47, Geeta solved 3/5 part of a math exercise while Aditi solved 7/9. Who solved the greater part? So in this question we have to compare 3/5 and 7/9. There are so many methods to compare both the fractions, but the simplest method to compare the fraction, that means you should multiply this, that is 27 and here this is 35. Okay, here 35 is greater, so 7/9 is greater. 7/9 is greater, that means Aditi, that means option B is correct. In another method, if you have to solve question by systematic method, you can use equivalent fraction type question. Okay, so 48 question 1/4 of an hour. So you have to write 1/4 of an hour. After that 1/4 into of is changed into sign, and 1 hour contains 60 minutes. Okay, 4 1 ja 4 1 ja 4 4 5 ja, so 15 minutes is your answer. So 15 is your correct answer. 4/5 of 105, so 4/5 into 105, 5 1 ja 5 5 2 ja 10 5 1 ja 4 4 1 ja 4 2 ja 8, so 84 is your answer. So question number 5 is similar to question 3/4 of 1 rupee. 1 rupee contain 100 paise. 4 1 ja 4 25, that is we have to multiply 3 into 25, that is 75 paise. That means the answer A is correct. Move on, 51 question 5/6 of a day. So 5/6 you have to write in of it change into multiplication sign, and day contains 24 hours. Okay, here is paise. 6 4 ja and 5 4 ja 20 hours. So section A is your correct answer. Here question number 52, lowest form of this. So you have to cancel out this one by one. So let's see. 2 1 ja 2, 2 1 ja 2, 2 3 ja 6, 13 1 ja 13, 13 3 ja 39, 3 1 ja 3, 3 1 ja 3, okay, 15 1 ja 15, 15 3 ja 45. So here 1 1 1 and here 1 1 3. So 1 1 1 multiplied equal to 1 and 3 1 into 1 into 3, that is 1 by 3 your answer. Okay. So moving on, question number 53, area of square is of side is. So in this square is given and side is 13 whole 3 by 4 3 by 4. We have to find area, that means side into side, that means 13 whole 3 by 4 into 13 whole 3 by 4. Okay, here 13 4 ja 52 and this is 55 by 4 into this is 55 by 4. So you have to multiply both the numbers and you have to find you should find the number. Section A is correct. Okay. So on question number 54, reciprocal of 6 by 5. Reciprocal, that means you have to change numerator to denominator, denominator to numerator. That means 6 by 5 is changed into 5 by 6. So 5 by 6 your answer. Simplification of this number, that means this is changed 19 into 3, that means 57, and this added to 8, 65 by 19 into 7 5 ja 35, this is 38 by 7 into 13 3 ja 39 and this is 49 by 13. So 13 1 ja 13, 13 5 ja 65. Okay, 19 1 ja 19, 19 2 ja 38 and 7 1 ja 7, 7 7 ja 49 and 5 2 ja 10, 10 7 ja 70. So 70 is your answer. ओके इस टाइप के क्वेश्चंस में सबसे पहले इसको हमें इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन में चेंज करना होता है. उसके बाद न्यूमरेटर को किसी भी डिनोमिनेटर से कैंसिल आउट कर सकते हैं या डिनोमिनेटर कोई भी हो वो न्यूमरेटर से कैंसिल आउट किया जा सकता है. ओके, सो लेट्स मूव ऑन नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन विच इज 56 क्वेश्चन. दिस इज 4 by. In this question, multiplication, division, plus and minus sign is given. So according to Bodmer's rule, we have to find out this solution. And first of all, you have to solve the division sign, after that multiplication, after that addition and subtraction. So write this 4 by 10 into 4 by 10 into, and we have to solve this first of all. So 4 by 10 divided by 4 by 10 and divide 10 into multiplication 10 by 4 plus 4 by 10 minus 1 by 5. Here 4 cancel out, 10 cancel out, and 4 by 10 plus 4 by 10 minus 1 by 5. So in this you have to solve this. So here LCM is 10, 4 plus 4 minus 1 by 5. Here 8 by 10 minus 1 by 5. 2 4 ja 8, 2 5 ja 10. So 4 by 5 minus 1 by 5. So here 4 minus 3, that means 3 by 5 your answer. So 56 is your answer. Moving on, 57 question, the product of two numbers, that means product of two numbers is 91 by 6. One number is 4 whole 1 by 3 and other number we have to consider x. So this is 4 3 ja 12, 1 13 by 3 into x equal to 91 by 6. Here x equal to 91 by 6 into 3 by 13. 3 1 ja 3, 3 2 ja 6, 13 1 ja 13, 13 7 ja. Here 7 by 2 is your answer. 7 by 2, that means 3 whole 1 by 2. So 3 by 1 by 3 whole 1 by 2 is your answer. Solution of this question. So in this, first of all you have to change it into improper fraction. 8 4 ja 32 plus 3, that is 35 upon 8 divided by 6 2 ja 12, 12 plus 5, this is 17 by 6. And after that you have to change division sign into multiplication. So 6 by 17 and here 2 3 ja 6, 2 4 ja 8 and you have to multiply 3 5 ja 15, 1 3 3 ja 105 by 68. So you have to change into improper fraction, sorry, mixed fraction. So we have to divide by 68 to 105. So 68 1 just 68. After that 37 is remaining. So section A is your correct answer. So 59 question, the quotient of two numbers is 2. That means if we divide by any a number by any number, quotient is 2. The denominator is 7 whole 2 by 5, and so we have to find out numerator. In this type of question, this should be transferred into right side. That means 2 into 7 whole 2 by 5. So 2 into 37 by 5, this is 74 by 5, and we have to change this into new mixed fraction. So 5 1 ja 5, and this is 5 4 ja, and 4 whole 5, 14 whole 4 by 5. This is your answer. Okay, so moving on, question number 60. A rope of length 8 whole 1 by 3 is cut into 5 pieces. So a rope is length 8 whole 1 by 3. It is cut into 5 equal parts. That means 1 2 3 4 5. We have to cut this rope into 5 equal pieces. So all the total length of the rope is divided by 5. Okay, 8 3 is 24, and 1 5 3, and it is multiply 1 by 5, 5 1 is 5, 5 5 just, so 5 by 3, and here 1 whole 2 by 3 is your answer. So C is your answer. Okay, 61 question is, we have to solve this question. So in this question, division minus sign and off is given. So first of all you have to solve off question. That means 72 divided by 8 by 9 minus 1 by 2, off is changed into multiplication sign. After that we have to solve this. This is changed to 9 by 8 minus 1 by 2 into 4 by 5, 8 9 ja, so this is 91, 9 9 ja 81, sorry, and 2 2 ja 4, so this is 2 by 5, and this is, we have to multiply 5 1 ja 5, 5 8 ja 40 minus 2, this is 5, and 4 0 3 by 5. After that we have to convert it into mixed fraction, 80 whole 3 by 5. So section D is your answer. In the similar way, question number 62 is very simple question. Here we have to solve first of all bracket. So off is changed into multiplication, and here 5 3 ja 15 plus 4 4 ja 16 upon 20. So 1 by 2 into 31 upon 20. So 31 by 40 your answer. So section A is your correct answer. Okay. So 63 question, property using A into B equal to C, where A, B, C are integers. This is the closure property in which mathematical operation is used in two integers, and the all result, the all numbers are integers and result may be integers. So for this closure property is used, and in this minus 16 plus minus 5 equal to minus 5 plus and so on. Here minus 16 is filled. Okay, because here commutative property is used. Okay, so question number 65, greatest whole number is, there is no greatest number. Okay, so these are the basic MCQ type questions which are asked in your examination UT first. This is very important questions you have to prepare for your examination. I hope you will be fine and you will be understanding my concern, and at last wish you to best of luck for your examination, and